Hi, welcome. In this video, we will learn about Flowshare's innovative Chrome extension. To get started, simply click on the icon and watch as it indicates that it's recording. Flowshare automatically highlights the active web component and even takes screenshots in the background. This frees the creator from having to worry about manually taking screenshots, using clunky third-party software to manually draw borders and arrows around images to draw a reader's attention. Flowshare automates all the manual labor away and allows you to create and share user flows as fast as humanly possible. Once you're done, hit the Flowshare icon again to stop the recording and you will be redirected to your auto-generated user flow. At this point, you can provide a title and make any final edits before you hit save and publish. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create with Flowshare.